you going? Eh? Where are you going to? I'm asking you. Where are you going to? Let me catch.
Agatha.
Nicodemus.
Agatha.
Give me money for food.
Leave me alone.
Leave you, give me alone.
Leave me alone. I don't have time for trouble this morning.
Which trouble? Now give me money for food. Give me money for food. You're not going anywhere.
Agatha Rambo.
Ragebe.
Agatha Rambo.
Ragebe.
Leave me alone.
You're a useless man.
You have this money with your problem.
You are not going anywhere until you give me money for food. Nicodemus, you are not going anywhere.
Have I not been giving you money for food? Why would you bring me this money?
Have you not been giving me money for food? When last did you bring money in this house?
Every day. I don't want to give you money.
Every day?
Yes.
Which every day? You are not going anywhere. Okay, since you have been giving me every day, give me today now. Have I not been trying today? If you do not give me money, you are going nowhere.
Must you eat every day? Must you? Look at you. Just look at you. Take a good look at yourself. Look, see how fat you are.
You want me to do 6 by 6 fasting so that I will die? Oh man,
Agatha, leave me alone. Look at neighbors.
Are you not the cause? Okay, you think I'm ashamed?
Are you not ashamed?
Which ashamed? Between you and I, who should be ashamed? A man that cannot bring money for his family. See, they can gather. Neighbors! They can watch. People watch. I am asking for money for food from my husband. Neighbors, come out to watch. Hear me. You think I'm ashamed? I will shout it for the world to hear. Give me money for food because...
Linus, what is your problem? What is the meaning of this nonsense? Does this mean you've never had problem with your wife?
Thunder fire you.
Thunder fire you there.
Oh, you're praying now for my wife and I to get problem.
God forbid.
Holy Ghost fire.
Thunder fire you too.
Go. Tell me what is that? We there on the boat. This place we there now. Not in front of our door. Ask me. Which kind of set down? Take what I do. Come on. Nicodemus, we talk to you this morning. As me and my wife they here, they enjoy this morning. We talk to you.
Answer.
You see problem. This one is called tenant. Looking for another tenant's trouble.
Exactly. Always looking for trouble.
Idiot. Yeah, I got idiot.
Shame.
I'm no shame on you. I'm no shame.
Leave me alone.
You're not going anywhere. Yeah, you're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
Agatha Ramo.
Give me money for food.
Agatha Ramo. Ramo, leave me. Leave me. You have started this morning. Leave me alone. Oh.
Give me money for food, too.
You didn't go for food, oh.
Get that wagon, madam. Get that wagon, idea. I was like, this is your business.
What did I just say? We gone. Wow. You will come back and meet me. Yeah. Shall have seen what you've cost? You've made him run a walk, eh? You will give me that money today.
Agatha, what have I not done for you yet? You will allow me to rest in my house. You won't give me a moment of rest. Agatha, what did I do to you? I've been a caring husband. Every day, one trouble. One day, one trouble. One day, one trouble. Always monitoring my movements. What did I do you? What did I do, Agatha? That she's always monitoring my movement. Everywhere I go. Today now, I'm money for food. I don't give her money for food. Where can I even go now? I think I should go to see that shop. At least if I get there, I can eat, make merry, and get the happiness I'm looking for. The happiness that I'm lacking in my house. No. Cecilia is the next option.
never see every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they find trouble. Now peace of mind, now him I define. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. What do you define?
Customer. Welcome.
One guy.
I don't try no see you.
I've been traveled, I don't come out.
Well, no they do like that, I beg. I miss you.
Package and well, put good price.
You know not I dey see you. No worry, I go do you well.
Sisi.
Nico.
Sisi. How you doing?
Welcome. No vex. I dey come make I sell food for myself.
This guy is small rice where you put.
Customer, I put jara now. You no see am that time.
Oh, yeah, put meat for me.
Okay.
Now this big meat I want.
Customer.
Thank you.
Nico.
Sisi.
My dish right for you. No say if I dey see you, body dey sweet to you.
That's true. Don't be that.
I dey come. Nico.
Sisi. She love.
Oh. Nico. I don't miss. There you go, see. Hey, Nico. Imam, yo, mpa ina wesan me. Nico.
Sisi.
Nico, mpa ina wesan me. My sweetheart. No say I like you. Let me give you food.
Stop! I can't really keep quiet. And you this old fool. How many times have I warned you that I don't want to see your feet anywhere around this store? Oh, you are busy eating my calabar waste, front and back. Sumpia by Dumaya by Mimiku. Thunder will fire you.
Thunder will fire you too? Put it down for me.
Jaja, what is your problem? Why are you embarrassing my customer?
No, wow.
Sisi, it is me. Your one and only Jaja.
Ima.
Well spelled with capital A. Sisi, you are looking straight into my eyes to tell me about customer. Who is your customer?
He is my customer. And you don't have any right to embarrass him like that.
God bless you.
This frustrated monkey dumbfounded idiot at his age. Okay,
God punish you.
Punish him to you.
God punish you.
You don't know your date of birth. See, it's like you want this man to see himself in the mortuary. Okay, yeah, come on for
Which
you.
mortuary?
My friend, get up from here.
Jaja, respect yourself.
What are you doing this to me?
Respect yourself, Jaja.
I will not you. I will not you. I will not you. See, I will not you. I will kill you with this. You will.
Sisi, my lord, my yori. See. Sisi. Sisi.
As long as.
Who is that? Ha! Jesus Christ. Ha! Pasimimbo. Jaja, you go for me near me. What is Jaja doing in my house by this time of the day?
I don't know. He cannot rest in his house. He doesn't have a house.
Sisi, open this door. Sisi, open this door. It's me, Jaja. Sisi.
He does not even have money. I told him I'm no longer interested. And he keeps disturbing me every now and then.
Forget about that idiot. Forget about that fool. Good for nothing boyfriend. As long as you keep giving it to me the way I like, we will never lack anything.
Nico.
Baby.
Nico.
Oh, it's very clear. It's clear. So you have the guts to allow that old man, that fool, to come into this house. It's all right. We shall see. Open this door now, or Sisi. We shall see.
Is on fire. Hey, where is my loved one? Hey, oh, I did not mean it. Oh, hey. Oh.
Agatha. What is this? Oh, what is like you are here just attracting somebody. Yeah? What is oh. Are you not no, as you are doing this nonsense that you're doing now? Somebody is here. And you are attracting them. You can't go guard. Oh, will you be happy? You can't help ma. Eh? What is this now? Person? Listen, let me tell you. Are you a wounded lion? What is Of course I know. The person you are doing might be somewhere now. Chilling with another woman named Waji. My friend, go inside. Go inside and sleep. It is night already.
Linus.
Stop distracting somebody.
Linus, I hate it when somebody look at me at the face and call me a fool because I'm not a fool. What is your business? Eh? I'm not sure. What is your business?
It is my business.
If I like, I can pace from here till tomorrow morning. It's none of your business.
It is my business. It is my business. Because I am a human being. You know, look at what you are doing. You are doing it at the whole everywhere. It's just as you are doing that, my body is doing me too. If I hold you now, you are inviting me. Oh, if I come now, you walk here. Will you be happy? Stop this nonsense, I beg. Yeah, because see, if anything happens in this compound, it is me that they will call. Yes, now they will call me. Come and contribute as a co-tenant. See, let me tell you, I don't have any money to contribute if you die here.
You are the one that will die. Linus, you are the one that will die and I will dig your grave and bury you. I have warned you. Stay away from me. Stay away from my husband. Stay away from my family matters. Obasangi, if I like, I shake my nyash. If I like, I shake my breast. It's not your business. I'm warning you. Hey, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Hey.
I should stay away from you. I should stay away from you. Now you are here now attracting me. Before me,
I'm warning you. Stay away from me. I'm warning you. You went to go.
I can take a super man.
You went to more. I'm not so
that is no. Come back now. Come back and begin to do. No, come back now. Where are you ready to? Idiot. Invited an innocent man. I was here that day taking place. She's inviting me to come. He has said, no, come back now. Come back and start doing this. Idiot. Listen, let me tell you, if you like, do stroll best from here till tomorrow morning. When you're not is just be there doing business and you cannot do anything. Idiot. You don't take it down. Agatha, you open this your gutter and you call your mouth and say, in this compound. If you don't come over here in this compound, come on here, what are you? I will be here till Nicodemus come back. Idiot!
Wahala, e no dey finish yo. Wahala, e no dey finish yo. This kind man I never see. I never see. Every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they
When
find
you am
trouble.
we were.
Now peace of mind, now he might define.
I have to cause one thing.
Because they must
I'm going to boy out.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, we were. I'm going to boy out.
Agatha, get my own food. I'm hungry.
I'm going to boy out.
Agatha, I'm back. Some of my food. This is my own food.
Which food?
What do you mean which food? This one you're eating. Now go and get my own my own portion.
Also, which your own portion? When you were living here, how much did you drop for me to cook food with? Eh? Did you drop any money for me to cook food and serve you with? I'm asking you on a limb.
Agatha, what is bringing up all these questions now? Ordinary, give me food. Is that too much to ask for? Go and give me food, Biko.
Give you food.
Yeah, yes.
Nicodemus, what I am saying is there is no food for a lazy man.
Oh, I'm lazy.
Hey, the lazy.
I'm lazy now.
As long as you do not bring money for food, you can never have any food in this house. Even Bible talk am. Bible said, any man that cannot provide for his family is worse than an infidel.
You are putting that Bible wrongly. You are putting it wrongly. Agatha, I don't want to repeat myself too long. Go and give my own food.
Did you bring any money for food? Did you give me any money to cook any food?
Have I not been bringing money for food?
Since when? Over how many months now? I can count it. You have not brought shishi 1 naira for food in this house. You are asking me to give you food. Which food? Which food?
Agatha.
Nicodemus.
Agatha.
Nicodemus.
Age.
Agano.
As you can see, I'm hungry. I just came from afar. I need food.
When a man is hungry, he's supposed to bring money to buy food. If I go to market, I use money to pay for foodstuffs. Nobody gives me anything free. Even my gang, they must collect money. You're asking me for food. Don't worry, Chinyere Nwabueze.
Agatha, go and get my own food.
Now, wow. Some men are too
You hear that? You hear them?
Yeah.
You hear that small girl? I said that wingless cockroach. You hear the insult where I just got from her.
Are you not the cause? Are you not the one that have been insulting yourself in this public compound? Eh? You refuse to give your family money. Look at this church rat, one bad shit, insulting you, talking to you anyhow, because you are not man enough.
Don't just use that word from you. Don't try him. What did that one mean? I know man enough. What did that one mean?
You don't bring money for
Give me
food
my food.
now.
Give me my own food.
Give you which food?
Give me my own food, Agatha.
Did they bring money for food? Look at my food. Okay, you're carrying it. Don't worry. Yeah, come and carry your food. I'm coming back. Open this door. Open this protector. I will break your head, oh. Open the door. Open the door. Nicodemus, open this door. Nicodemus, if I enter this door, I'm
eating. I am chopping.
Biggest this year, everything I do must work this
Agatha.
year.
What is the meaning of this? Eh? What is the meaning of this? You're here washing and you left my clothes inside. Didn't you see them? Didn't you see my dirty clothes on the floor? And that they need to be washed.
Wait, so you are expecting me to wash your clothes, eh?
Why not?
Did you give me any soap or even drop money for detergent for me to wash those clothes? Did you give me money? Am I supposed to use Guinea to wash it? My own detergent. I work at the now. You know work.
Agatha. So because of lack of money on me is what you are using against me right now. Yeah? You are using the fact that I don't have money now. You are using it against me.
Nicodemus, I hate liars. Even Bible says that those who lie will go to hellfire.
Who's
You're
a liar? Who's a liar?
You, fat one.
Moa.
Yes. The other day, I saw one Jai alert that entered your phone. You have money. You are just trying to form stinginess. You don't want to bring money. You want to form a stingy man, Akwe. I know how best to treat stingy people.
Agatha, so you've been monitoring me? Eh? You have been monitoring Nicodemus. Simply because money is no longer flowing the way it used to flow into my hands. That is why you have the guts to monitor my activities.
Oh, so now you are claiming you don't have money?
Yes, I don't have.
Nicodemus.
Agatha.
Nicodemus.
Agatha.
Hey, why are you lying? Eh? Why do you want to turn into a stingy man overnight? You don't have money, eh? So what have you been doing at Calabar's hot rice spots? That one, eh, Calabar. What have you been doing there? Eh? You are surprised. Okay, like what you think I will not find out? What have you been going there to do, especially every morning? What did they give her? Cantac, where? No, you used to give her pepper after eating. You're just trying to be stingy. But trust me, Agatha, and I know how to handle you. I'm not sure.
Agatha, so this is all you have to tell me. Simply because I said you should wash my clothes. That's why you are raining all this insults on me.
See, let me tell you. If you want me to wash these clothes, one, you will give me money for soap. Two, you will give me washing hand money. Three, you will give me rinsing money. Four, you will give me spraying money and packing, because after washing, when the clothes dry, I will still pack it and put it inside the wardrobe for you. You will have to pay me for all these services before I wash your clothes again in this house. Since you want to learn how to be stingy, I will help you. I'm the master. Let's dance the dance.
Agatha, so this is what you have to say. This is what you have to tell me, because I said my wife should wash my clothes. Is that what you're telling me? Agatha, wash this clothes. Huh? Wash this clothes.
Also? Yeah. Nicodemus, what are you doing?
Wrap pocket here.
What are you doing?
Wrap pocket here.
Why are you taking my bucket?
Wrap pocket
Nicodemus! Nicodemus!
Hey! Nicodemus, where did be this one now? Why you come pour me water?
Oh, sorry. Osas, Biko. Sorry. I didn't know you were coming.
How will you see him now? Organico. When you and your wife will not allow us to have peace in this compound, Look at my son. Look at what you have done to my son.
Osas, it is true I mistakenly poured you water, but please tell your mother not to insult me. I won't take that. I will not take it.
I don't even know where you mentioned my name inside this matter. Mama says, what has Agatha's name got to do with Chinyere and Goda? What have I got to do with the water they poured on your son?
Mr. and Mrs., are you the only one living in this compound? Both of you continue disturbing the whole compound. What is your problem? Mr. and Mrs.
Why you call him wife?
Am I lying?
Mama, it's okay. Let's go. I don't want you both to quarrel. Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Mama, let's go.
She dare not insult me. Because if you do, I will reduce it to your lowest step.
What will you do? Look at this woman. Look at this woman. Okay, because you're a friend to landlady. You think I'll be scared of you, Akwe? You think...
Stop it.
Come on,
you want them to give me good notice? I'm not going to suffer.
You are a fool.
You are a idiot.
You are a shameless man. I'm not sure. What fool? I am tired of this compound. If you don't know it.
Oh, you're tired?
I am tired. Let them give me quick notice. Let me leave.
Bring money. Let me go for another apartment.
Pick my clothes.
I will not pay you.
Nicodemus.
If I try it.
You see? I go. Pick my clothes. Pick these clothes.
I got a ramo.
Let's go inside.
No, leave me. Don't drag me like that. I've warned you several times not to involve yourself in their matter, but you not listen.
Mama, it's okay. I'm not involving myself in their matter. I was coming back from the backyard when he could not mistakenly pour me water.
Imagine. Just look at you. Look at you.
Okay.
These people, they are troublemakers. They're always disturbing the whole compound. I don't know why.
Let's go. I will just go and change it. Okay. Let's go.
Can't you see I'm in the mood? Okay.
What is it now? Eh? How is that supposed to concern me? If you like being the season, how is that my business? Stop disturbing me. I want to sleep. Ogene.
Don't treat me like this now. I am the husband.
Eh. So you now know that you are my husband, Akwe. Then behave like one. Behave like one. What is all this one? Eh? The way you used to take care of me, you don't take care of me again. See, you see this my Jerusalem, eh? I have locked it. I have used padlock to chain it. If I do not see your alert in my phone, forget it.
But I sent you money today now.
Which money? Which money did you send?
Didn't you see the alert on your phone?
That money you sent did not even clear the last year's area. Eh, Nicodemus? That money did not clear last year's area. Not to talk of this year own. Clear your arrears last year. Then pay me this year own before you enter my Jerusalem. I'm not joking, no. You are owing me. Pay me.
Agatha, you're my wife. Oh. I am not talking to a street girl. Neither am I trying to woo a street girl. You're my wife. Eh? Okay.
Leave me alone because you sent 30,000. What is 30,000 naira? Eh? What is 30,000 naira compared to the money you are owing me? If I do not see my alert, clear the old arrears, clear this year's own, then we will now talk of how much you'll be giving me. Your mates are giving woman 100,000 to feed in a month. You are bringing 30,000 naira and you want to enter Jerusalem. Eh?
Bring down your voice.
No, let the neighbors hear me. Let them hear my voice. You are giving me 30,000 every month. Do you know how much I add in that money to feed you? Yet you want to come and enter Jerusalem. I will not open my legs for you. Simple and short. Give me money.
You will not open your legs.
I will not open my Jerusalem.
You will not open your legs.
I have locked it. I could share me.
And I will break that key this night.
Adele.
Agatha, not your woman. Agatha, not your woman. Not your woman, son. Kiyo. Not your woman. Not your woman. Agatha, not your woman. I'm not dealing with you. Not your woman, son. Oh, well. I
don't know me, Joe. Which kind of nonsense be this one? They play with you. It is how they play.
Agatha. Oh, you fool, no, not your money, so. Agatha, you are trying me. I've been making you all this while. You are pretending hard to get. Come on. Give me all this all. Agatha. What is this nonsense now? Eh? Am I supposed to even beg you? Am I supposed to beg you this long? Agatha.
Nico.
Oh. I don't understand.
My sweetheart.
Oh, good. Yes. Hey, yeah.
See, Nico. Anytime you want it, just call me. I'm all yours.
Sisi Pino one. Oda na mecha. Mecha. See, let me tell you something. The fact that I'm staying here face me, I slap you. I'm a big man. I'm a very rich man. I am only hiding myself.
Ozosu is a lie.
I am not telling you any lies. I am only hiding myself. I am doing business with the Macron company.
Try.
I supply materials to them. And they pay me very well. Yes, I am only telling you this because it is you.
Oh, Nico.
Susu. Even if it is 1 million naira you want, just have your account now. Hey.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Oh.
I have your account. Pew!
Child.
You get it.
Where is this man? Yeah? Does it mean that Nicodemus did not sleep in this room? He did not sleep in this house. Hey! So because I did not allow this man to cross my Jerusalem, he left. There is no problem. He will come back and meet me in this house. Nicodemus will come back and meet me in this house. If you don't enter Jerusalem, you will not sleep. Bring money back. But you want to do. I'm not sure. Hi. So, Nicodemus no come back this house. This man no sleep this house till this morning. Eh? Because I no gree open for am make you do. Now I make this man comot this house since yesterday. He no return. Problem no dey. There is no problem. He will come back and meet me in this house. Okay, what may boy him? He will come back and meet me. Ah! Agatha. So let me sleep for this house today. Ah! Agatha. Come. Come here! They look me, they mad. I be your mate. Wait, oh. Carry that water from here. I think say you go disobey me. Opo, hot one, early morning, Opo. I would have given it to you now for disobeying. Why did you pass me without greeting? Am I your mate? Eh?
So if I greet you now, you will answer.
Why won't I answer? Why won't I answer? Eh? See, I am old enough to have children older than you. Yeah, it's obvious. It's obvious you useless father Linus. And that your mother, that your senseless mother Angelina, that is Devilina, did not train you well. You don't have home training. That is why you will pass me this early morning without greeting.
Hey, hold it there. Stop insulting my parents. Don't insult my father. Don't insult my mother. Stop insulting my parents.
Am I the one you did hand like this? Eh? Mba, traffic order. Hey. It's obvious you don't have respect. You don't have respect, but I'm leaving you because of one thing. Just one ticket or something. That is why I'm leaving you. I'm not sure.
I'm not your problem. Your problem is your husband that left you since last night and yet you return back. He's in that woman's shop eating hot rice and you are here looking for the person that will greet you.
Chiriko, did I hear you well? You said my husband is in that Calabar woman place eating hot rice. How did you know? Is he there now?
No. He's there. You are here looking for him to greet you.
Agatha. Nicodemus. Like a one in Calabar. Eating hot rice. How? When? Where? Oh, man. Nicodemus. Oh, man. That Calabar there. When I get met here.
Don't worry. See me having for this compound. We go dig come. You go. You see, come over here. You got what? If you don't come over here, let's compound. Buy what are you? Idiot. Easy. Easy. What do you make? What is the pursue this idiot? Whoever that is pursuing this idiot must be very serious. Ewu! Oh no, she! Nah, can you imagine? Eh? What will make this idiot to whack with this man?
Where are they? Stupid people! Where is that small rat? Come out here! Come out here! Linus, come out! Jojo! Who is inside this house? Come out! Come out here, Aisha!
Come. Come. Agatha, you don't want? Yeah? You don't Grace?
I demand!
What is go? You don't mind? You see now you're top boy in the fight for this compound. You never go see him. What is go? You want to break this? Come. It will say you succeed in breaking this. I will just carry your own. Tell him. Scatter him.
See,
idiot.
I don't even have time to exchange words with you. Warn your daughter. Warn that you useless, senseless pikin. We don't learn lie. Warn her.
What now? What? If you put me here, I can go.
Warn her to stay away from my matter.
What did you do?
What did you do? Now me they ask. Eh?
Come. What you did this one?
You just made me run out this morning with the little energy I have. Eh? Yeah? Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself in this compound. I'm warning you. She made me to waste my energy. I ran like somebody whose house is on fire. Eh? And I did not see my husband. Take your time with this speaking. You want Yara?
I was not joking. When you got there, didn't you see your husband?
I did not see him. When I got there, I did not see Nicodemus. Eh? You made me waste my little energy this morning.
See, let me tell you, your husband was there. When he saw you, he hid.
It's a lie. He did not hide anything. He was not there. You are not sure of what you said. You just wanted me to waste my energy. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Idiot. How is Jojo's fault? How you see that I don't know how cause the problem?
It's her fault.
No. What her fault? What offense did she commit that she told you where you can find your husband? He made that I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Because she was not sure of what she saw. Yes! You know you have transferred your lies to her. Linus, you have finally transferred the lie spirit into her. But next time if she tries it, now her Chineke, I'm a super yanya. You will know that I'm
Try it.
See, let me tell you, next time I will carry you to that place. You see him where he's eating calabash.
You are not carrying anything. You are not carrying anything.
I am not warning you. If you try this next time.
Go. Yes, can you give birth to a child?
I will now show you how an angry woman behaves.
If I enter, you can survive.
You cannot do anything.
It's okay. Look at her. It's okay. Look at her.
It's okay.
Allow me.
It's okay.
If I enter, can she ever survive? Can she withstand my work?
Jojo, why did you whine her?
Mama, I did not whine her. The only thing is that her husband saw her and ran away.
Yes.
Okay.
Were you there? What do you mean? Your husband saw her and ran away. You know there. You didn't know with that battery. Thought I would find out you are not set man, idiot.
Okay.
What do you mean her husband saw her and ran away? Were you there? You know there. You know what? You were not here when I got to get you. remove this protector because of this idiot. I've told you, remove your mind, remove your eyes, remove everything about you. Now, what is this now? Radio without battery. Idiot.
For Oga Nicodemus not to give his wife money for food, that means he's cheating.
Okay, forget.
Hey.
And I followed him to find out, and I found out that he used to give that Calabar woman money.
Idiot. What is cheating? This guy is talking like an ancestor. See, I don't know where. Don't worry, one day you will tell me where you brought this idiot.
I don't like that though. Wait though. That means that's where Oga Nicodemus' money has been going now.
Yes, Mama, I don't want to tell his wife. But soon, he will hear it, but not from my mouth.
Are you mad?
Get in here now.
What is you? Others, they won't begin. You carry nonsense BBC, give me radio without battery.
Oye Koyiri. Is it not you?
I promise.
It's you.
Oh,
okay.
You cannot remember to resemble me. You will tell me when you brought this idiot one day. Don't worry. Okay, I don't know.
I like from this thing though. In fact, I'm not eating again.
I like
from this thing.
Wahala, e no dey finish yo. Wahala, e no dey finish yo. This kind man I never see.
Agatha, what is it? Why are you staring at me like that? Eh? Why?
But I'm a gentleman.
Nicodemus.
Agatha.
I asked you a question and you yet to answer me. Where did you sleep last night? Where did you sleep last night? You've not answered and you are here popping beer. Pom. You want to drink beer. I asked you again. Where did you sleep last night?
And you think I am under law to answer that question? You think Nicodemus, Udemmadu, is under law to answer that question? So I say, now let me remind you. When I begged you to allow me put the cap small, did you agree? Now you are questioning me. Where did I sleep last night?
I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
I just hope you are not cheating on me, Nicodemus. I just hope you did not go out there to sleep with a woman. Now, Chineke, if I find out that it's true, Maggie, you will know why they call me Agatha.
Will you hear me?
Ngwana.
Don't insult me.
Just try and cheat on me.
Don't insult me. How dare you accuse me of trying to cheat on you? How dare you? I am a responsible man. I cannot cheat on you.
Responsible man, my foot. No, when the responsible man. Hey! Stop it. Where are you running to? Shameless man. Where are you running to? Nicodemus, you lied to me that you were traveling to the north. And you're here enjoying yourself with another woman. So this is your north, okay? You're here enjoying yourself. Leaving me all alone with 3 children. You know you're so shameless.
Susanna.
You're a very shameless man.
Susanna, what are you doing here?
You ask me what I'm doing here. You're surprised to see me, are you not? Well, my God exposed you through my friend Geraldine. She saw you one day and she came to tell me. Let me go. Hey, Geraldine. Are you sure of this thing that you told me now? Are you very, very sure?
Madam,
are you sure?
Madam, I dey sure well. If na lie, follow me, make you go see the way your husband body dey shine. Follow me, make I go show you where your husband dey. You see your husband, you no go know him again.
You saw Nicodemus with your 2 korokoro eyes.
How? na here this man dey live o, Nicodemus. So na like give him wife say travel go north. He man go wrong, go tell my friend wetin my eye see o. He. Follow me, make you go see where your husband dey. I see your husband with my koro eyes.
Hey, you saw my husband. Nicodemus left me here all alone with our children, and he's busy enjoying himself somewhere. But I won't do about my children now.
Madam, drop your children with your mama. May you follow me. May you go enjoy with your husband.
Nicodemus, thank you so much for this information. Yeah, I will do exactly as you said. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. I go do as you talk. Yeah, yes, I go do as you talk. Thank you so much. Hey, so this man thinks I'm a fool. He abandoned me here all alone with my children while he's busy there enjoying himself with another woman. No problem. I'll do as you said.
Hey! Chimo, Nicodemus, so you are married with 3 children, 3 grown-up children.
And so?
And you were here deceiving me. Mwagwagata, you made me marry you when you're already married with 3 children.
And so? Powerful. Chineke power too. If I'm married to 2 wives, if I'm married to 3 wives, am I not a man? I am entitled to marry as many wives as I like, as I want, and when I want.
So that is all you have to say, Akwaya?
What do you want me to say?
That is all you have to say,
What do you want me to say? I know law.
Nicodemus, Lenuge, do you know you're so shameless?
Shameless man!
Look at you. No remorse, no regrets, no conscience.
What do you mean?
Okay.
What do you mean by no conscience? No remorse, no conscience. What do you mean? Have I not been sending you money to take care of yourself and the children? Haven't I?
What money have you been sending to me? That chicory money? Those kobo that you sent to me, you call that money? Those chicory kobo that you sent to me, okay?
Thank God you even agree that
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking with you?
I am not well. I am not well. You will kill him.
Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding?
You will kill him. Hey, Abu, those women have killed me. Oh, that 2 witches have finished me. Oh, Agatha, you will go back to your father. Those 2 women will go back to their father's house.
It's okay now. Stop shouting my name. I'm just helping you.
This is too much. Now take it easy.
Stop shouting at me now. Am I the cause of your problem?
Yes, you are. You are contributing to it.
I'm just helping you.
Agatha, I'm going to send you a packet.
You will do no such thing. This is one work. You lie. I was on my own. You came and paid my bride price and married me from my father's house. So you cannot just wake up and tell me to pack. And see, let me tell you, see this bag, It's going nowhere. It's not entering this house. No woman will come and take my place in this house. It's not possible.
Susanna, you heard how? Bang! Susanna, you better start going, you know.
Heard what?
She will kill you.
Who will kill me?
Oh, a single bone.
This one. And you've forgotten that I have double bone myself. See, let me tell you, I have come here to stay and I'm not going anywhere. And if she dare tries me, I will sit on her with this my big buttocks and seize her breath. Let her just try it.
You will not do such a thing. That is if you're able to bring me down now. Let's see now. Oh man, you see this house? You will not enter it.
We shall see.
Come and enter now.
We shall see.
Yeah, Pegana.
Don't start again.
Oh man, let us see how you will sit on me and seize my breath. You're not entering this house.
Story.
Other man.
What is this boy doing there?
Osas!
Steve.
Osas!
Upon all what I want this boy. Okay.
Osas! Osas!
Oh my God. When you are done, I'll wait for you here. Since you don't have ear, those ears that are for fancy.
Osas!
Don't touch me again, don't touch me again. You want to kill me.
That be your mama they call. Apricot.
You want to finish me? You want to? It's okay. Please. I'm
Find the one where you go gossip, tell the whole compound. Now you cause some shame on you. And what share?
I go. Hey,
This is just the beginning. This one is just the beginning.
Osas. Osas. So you mean you cannot listen to me? You are not deaf that you cannot listen to me. Eh? I've warned you about Nico and his wife. They will hurt you one day.
Mama, so I should leave him to die?
Yes, now. Let him die. Because I don't understand the man that will leave his wife and his children and go out there and marry another woman.
I want my life now. The man do anything that pleasing. Yes.
Okay. That is the more reason you should leave him, let him die of his sin.
Except I'm not in this compound.
Ustaz,
Mama.
I hope you will not allow Nicholas and his wife to bring problem between both of us.
That will never happen, Mama. Nothing will bring problem between me and you.
Okay.
Not even Nicholas and his wife.
It's all right. I am watching.
Mama, you cook?
I think you are a doctor. You are the doctor now. Go and meet Mr. and Mrs. Nico. Let them feed you.
Mama, food day.
You are a doctor. Go and meet them. Let them feed you. No, go and meet them. They will give you food. Look at you. Don't worry. I am watching. All right. No problem.
Hi!
Of a small thing.
Wonder shall never end. Are you serious?
Yes, now.
No, wait, let me understand. You are telling me this one with your mouth.
Yes, now.
Are you not an idiot?
No, they bring this leg again. Every time idiot. I don't want to be your friend again. Where did they bring this leg now?
If you don't want to be, you think I get anything for your friendship? If me and you were supposed to be friends? Oh God, I marry boy, he never marry. So we're not supposed. You supposed to be happy. They say make I not bring leg. Now leg I use to come. Yeah. So this Nicodemus get 3 grown-up children.
You don't know before.
Hi! Nicodemus has some sleeves under his shirt.
Yes, now. You don't know before.
So, he just dey here, they deceive this innocent Agata. Hi! Nicodemus abandoned his wife and children from the state and come here. Ah! What a man does not know does not exist. Hi! What a man does not know does not exist.
Yes,
I'm telling you.
They almost blind my eyes where I was trying to separate them.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
You see? If I say you are the idiot, you could be your eye go be go. You are the idiot.
I beg you. Not this thing they make me the first.
No. I'm gonna tell you are the idiot.
I beg.
Go. Today they are blind. They will be blind. Tomorrow they will kill you. Idiot. Woman. Untouchable tower. Idiot. Mogu. No. They not break my eyes. The other day na water. Now your eye they won't carry. Tomorrow they go kill you. See, I go there this compound, Nicodemus and his wife go kill you. Nothing go happen. Last. They go say, contribute money for your co-tenant to die. And that one end. No such woman be idiot. Mugu. They break my eye. Says they even talk in the sweet you. Woman man or sassy sawaganya. Even they hear that. Come, if I ever see you cross leg here, they tell me say, and they tell you, they always broke. Ganya mugu. Can you imagine? They behave like pass it, carry a palm. Can they behave like a woman? Woman man. And I want to see how do you. Sissy, my love, you're just busy denying me of my right. You know I'm your love. I love you so much. You're just busy starving me over nothing. You're denying me of my right by Sumpia, by Dubia, by Niniku.
Jaja. Hold it there.
Okay.
Who is your love?
You know.
Who is your love?
You, Sissy.
See, let me tell you something. As long as you are not giving me shishi, everywhere is locked. Everywhere is closed. Locked down. Nothing for you.
Sissy, see, Jaja, your baby boo. Your baby boo boo. Jaja, now I know. Let me even tell you, I have some short games I played, and I must win. So see, as soon as I win that game, oh, Sissy, I will use money and disgrace you. Even your enemies, I will spoil you. Anything. Okay, if I even know what you need. Why am I wasting my time? Come, let me go and get you shawarma parfait. I know you've not eaten it before. Sissy, boo. Sissy, do me, yeah. Sissy, me, boo. Is it Dubia by Sukus? Let's go.
Leave me alone, John. I know you are just making mouth. At the end of the day, you still go and buy me that roadside food.
Oh, see, they use your size, they judge everything they won't buy for you. But they go. See. It is parfait and shawarma. You add up. Let's go.
I hope you are not.
No, I'm not joking. Let's go. See, Dubia. See, Sissy, wait, you are adding these ways, I don't know.
Is it not the ways?
I'm seeing the structure. The foundation is.
Sissy? Where could she be?
Sissy, you know, I told you. You again. Wait. Oh, you mean?
Wait a minute. No touch me. No. No, just touch me. What do you have to do?
Who be your girl? If I slap your character, wait for your reaction, you. How many times have I warned you never to step your feet, this silly feet of yours in this compound? And this man, you came to my girlfriend as my calabar waist to eat front and back again, And this man, Calm down where? Calm down where? See. I don't want to get mad at you.
An old man.
I don't want to.
Sissy.
Jaja, you will kill him. He's an old man. Jaja, leave him alone. He's an old man. Jaja, you will kill somebody. Leave the other man alone. He's an old man. What have I gotten myself into? Jaja, you will kill somebody. Jaja, leave Nicodemus alone. He's an old man. Oh, Jaja, Bonnie, what wasn't making go? You will kill that old man. I'll be in trouble. Jaja, leave him alone. Hey, how about him, Banyamio?
Sissy, baby. Oh, my lord. How are you? I want to see you. Sissy. Sissy, baby. I beg no verse. Just this food for me. I don't grab it.
My food has finished.
I don't understand. Which one is your food that's finished? I beg. Where cool I have this one I have they tell me say food on. I beg give me food. But if it's that stupid old fool, that good for nothing old man called me Kodeva, you give me food. My friend, give me food. Let me eat. Sissy. See? Hey! So this is it. So you've been cheating on me intentionally all because of money. Sissy, I'm disappointed at you.
Jaja, leave me alone. I've been asking you for money since. You refuse to give me the money. And here you are asking me what is it? What is wrong with you? What is it? Have you given me the money I've been asking from you since?
Sissy, am I not trying my best?
You have not. Your best is not enough. That your best is not enough.
You can never be appreciative. You will never make it. Say amen. You are just a stupid joke. Look at what you've caused. Look at. Give me food. No.
Jaja, I am not in for your trouble. I am not in for it. So leave my way.
Jaja, eat agua food. Jaja, you have suffered. Wait a minute, let me ask. Sissy, I hope this pregnancy is not for me.
Eh?
Yes.
Jaja.
Eh?
But. What? It's matter what I'm thinking matter what again.
For
Jaja,
me.
are you not my boyfriend?
Boyfriend?
Uh-huh.
So now you know I am your boyfriend. No, I want to ask you. Now you know I am your boyfriend. After you denied me of my rights, when I told you that I want to do Ntoto, Mva, by Sumpia, by Mimiku, did you not deny me? You stabbed me of my rights. First, let me even ask you, am I the only man that I've been sleeping with?
Hey, Jaja. Oh, you have forgotten that it's just 2 weeks ago that you slept with me. Eh? You have forgotten. You forgot that just 2 weeks ago you slept with me. And you have forgotten.
Have you forgotten so soon that the same months back I came to you trying to get my benefit from you? You denied me of my rights. All because of that stupid old man. That wicked, that good for nothing. If I thought I go fire you, join her. See, let me tell you, if you know what is good for you, you better go and look for that wicked, that old monkey, frustrated idiot, a good for nothing man that put this operation or insertion or what would I call it? I think this thing is props. Go and look for the person that did this. This is not my product. You are not worth it. Yes. And I don't want to see you anywhere around me. You better go and look for the...
Jaja, do not insult me. See, let me tell you, when you are done ranting, you will come and meet me. This pregnancy, I'm keeping it because you are responsible for it and I will not take it out.
Well, let me just break it down to you. I don't want to see you anywhere around me. Go and look for the father of this child because I am not responsible. And I don't want to see you anywhere close to me. If not, if I slap your character, I'll wait for your reaction. And I'm not joking. Let me just tell you.
Jaja, see Jaja, we are not done, no. We are not done. Jaja, you will come and meet me. I'll be waiting for you here. Hey, you think you can get me pregnant under me? Hey, you don't know me. I'm a Calabar woman and I will show it to you. I will wait for you, Jaja. You don't know me. Hey, a Calabar woman, you take the play. You go see my madness. You go see my madness.
Cecilia, what do you mean you're pregnant? Haven't you been using protection?
What do you mean we have been using protection? Who goes and use protection? Is it every day we use protection?
Yeah. Since you also, you have to remove it. Yes.
Also soon. Nico, you are lying. I will never remove from this people. It is both of us that do this thing. So you will father the child. It is your child.
Don't you know that I'm married?
Oh! You know from other one.
Meaning
It
what?
is now that you know that you are married. When you were knocking me front, back, left, right, Ghana, Togo, Jamaica, you did not know. No, it has happened. If Nanya, what you are looking for has come. I'm not removing this child. Yes.
So you remember all the lines. What about you? What about you? Who was saying, baby, hard, do it hard. Harder. It is sweetening me. I'm enjoying it. More. Did you remember it?
Nico, it is two of us. We are in this together. Did you hear what I just said? We are in this together. This child, he will grow in his father's house. I will not remove this child.
See, if you are yoking.
I am not yoking, no. Oh!
I can see you are yoking.
Nico, I am not yoking.
You are yoking.
My boss, hear me.
You are yoking.
This child will grow in his father's house.
Let me tell you something. I will send money to you so you can go and take care of yourself. Remove this thing in you. Remove it.
So
I cannot father the child.
It's a lie. I will do no such thing. I will not. This child, I am keeping this child. We are in this together. We do this thing, two of us. It is two of us that started this thing. No. We were doing it. It was sweeting me. It was sweeting you. Now it has happened. Nico, we are carrying this child. It is me and you.
Wahala, you know the finish, yo. Wahala, you know the finish, yo. This kind of man I never see. Every day na so wahala.
Trouble deal.
But I'm a gentleman.
Wonderful grando. Nicodemus, what have you gotten yourself into? How can Sissy be pregnant now that Agatha and Susanna are in the house? The next thing now, she will want to move in. And that is the last thing I will ever allow to happen.
That's you define, now you go see.
Linus, how long have you been standing here?
I just said that now. I just said, right here, then I don't stand.
Did you hear anything?
Yeah, if I hear, make I bend. Like I say, it's like saying you didn't hear now. See? This way they talk now from your mind. So the way they hear carry microphone, they shout, yeah, they call them, wahala, they will, Susanna, Agatha, Bello, Sisela.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Don't you know that what?
Which was? What's up here? I hear they lament, they tell everybody, say, in person came I hear that now. What's happening? They hear they because them Susanna, they Agatha, they Sisela, guy, God. Here na public comfort, and the best I can do for you is to help you.
Help me how?
Yeah, you don't hear the shout. You give another person get it.
What is really wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. When you talk about you talk about small. No, I didn't hear you. Trouble. Come, let me ask you. You want to die young? What am I saying?
I don't want to die young.
Are you still young? Are you still young? Do you want to die in your old age? Yeah? Susanna just entered my land like Land Rover. He never even recovered from the shock. He don't carry belly. Nah, head. Utugi na happy. I don't go. All the young guys don't marry back.
Linus. I don't want to.
Hey, see. Yeah, I need jump.
Let me tell you something.
Remove light.
Okay, lie.
Eh?
If you have any help to give to me or any advice to give me, give it to me. If not, you better leave instead of standing here to compound my problem. Leave. Let me blow my fire with my own mouth.
The fire. Don't be about to use the blow me. Udemmadu, eh?
I know we'll find the place where you stay. Sorry. Nico! Your calabash container don't land. Nico, my love. Come outside. Your calabash container has landed. Nico, open this door. Nico, open this door. I have come for you. I am pregnant for you. Nico, open this door. You cannot run away from me. Nico, open this door. Nico, open this door. Nicodemus, open this door. Oh, I can't tell you don't with your for you been things I don't go know where you they stay. Ha. Nicodemus, open this door.
Bia. Who are you? And what are you doing at my husband's door? I'm asking you, Wonye, who are you?
Husband Onyeve, which husband? I don't know you. If you only Agatha, I know.
For your information, I am Nicodemus's first wife. Yes, the Agatha you're talking about is just a side chick. And I know ya. Yes? You're surprised?
This thing you are talking right now, are you serious or you are just whining me?
You they ask me if I am serious for this way they talk, or they ask you, does it look like I am a joker to you? I have 3 children for Mr. Nicodemus. He's my husband. And he left me where we are living to come and cohabit here with this husband snatcher. So I am his wife. If you don't know, you better know it now. Yes. Chineke, what am I seeing? Hey! Nicodemus! Come out, your container! Your container has fallen down and died. Hey! Chineke na. Nicodemus! Oh, come. Nicodemus! Bia, your calabash container. Come and wake up your calabash container. I hear Zuraland go your market. Where is that man? Miss, come. Bia, your market. Come and deal with your market. Putaba.
What did you do to her?
My dear, go and deal with your market. You're asking me. I told her that you are a womanizer. Next thing she fainted.
You did what?
Your market. Your container has landed. So, deal with your commodity. Won't you try to get her up? Revive her now. That one is your business.
Susanna. Cecilia. Sissy. Take.
Hey. No wajo. Concert drama.
Hey, look at the mouth. Now, some people that to do live number 3.
Have you seen?
Hey.
Have you seen the height of insult upon insult? Little Jojo insulting you. Hey, Agatha, I've suffered. Nicodemus, I have suffered in your hand.
Baby, please feed me more. Feed me more. The baby needs the more than milk, please.
Or singing. Or shogging. You come, if you don't keep that mouth shut, I will shut it for you.
You cannot do me anything.
Hey, beloved, keep quiet and drink this milk and malt. Don't you want to recover quick? Take it.
Ha! You better recover. Recover because I'm sending you to mortuary. Just drink this thing and recover. Hey! Oh God.
Oh, Joa.
Okay, what is it, Jojo? Why done it? What is it? Yeah?
Could you believe that Oga Nicodemus is King Solomon?
I don't understand. What do you mean? Nicodemus is King Solomon. I don't understand. What did he do this time?
Could you believe that he got Cecilia pregnant?
Eh? What's Cecilia? What's it? Are you bad? What's the problem? How did he
Chere, what's Cecilia?
Cecilia, the side food seller.
Ha!
Hey! What can you make for me, baby? This Nicodemus of a man. What's he rest?
Mba, Otelia then call ATM, the very sharp. Are you serious? Hi.
Could you even believe that he got Cecilia as another wife?
Ha!
Hey! My husband, do you know this my business I've been going every day has made me lose all the drama in this compound?
The worst part is that how did Jojo always get this information? Come. Are you reading with that battery? Chiro. This Nicodemus, no, this one room, Abi. Have they packed to another compound? Good to tell me. You know why I'm saying this? Because this man, can he ever survive this one? We're talking that Agatha alone is a very big problem. And then Susanna. And then Cecilia now.
Commotion.
Hey, Nicodemus, will you ever survive this one? No. Tell me how he will survive.
What did you worry? What is going on? I don't want you. I said, no show your face on my house. You still carry your ugly face, come. Eh? I said, come on, this is where you carry. You carry your deaf ear, enter here with this thing. See, I don't want you. If you know what is good for you, come out, Amo.
Come out waiting. No, come out waiting. I know they come out anything. You see this picky, now me and you get them. And for this house, now yeah go day. Get this picking for you. I know they go anywhere. And I know go come out.
Make I want you. You no go burn for my house. You no go burn this bastard for my house. Will you hear me?
That one you they talk, it be lie, you they lie. It be lie, you they lie. You see this house, it be here I go burn this picking. Your other wife said they supposed come out for this house, leave this house for me because it be me carry the baby. So them supposed come out.
Really?
Yes.
Really? As you say, you came prepared for war.
Oh, you know. Before I embark on this journey, I know there will be war, so I came prepared.
Cecilia, make I warn you. If no advice, you won't call him. Avoid Agatha. Agatha is my first wife. And she no go take better I see you. Talk more of her and say you carry bedle. Come give me. If you know where from come, begin go there. You dey hear me?
I no dey hear anything you dey talk. The only thing wey you go talk wey go enter my ear now, e be you to go tell me say, Cecilia, e be this place you go dey stay oh, you go dey take care of me because na me carry your baby. No be Agatha. So I no know why you dey take this thing like this.
Na so you dey talk am.
E be so, and na so you go be.
Cecilia, find your way oh. Comot my house. Here no go contain you, me and you oh. You no go contain us oh. In fact, my house is crowded.
Nicodemus, na lie you dey lie. You see this thing you dey talk, you just dey lie. You see this house, na me and Agatha. I no dey go anywhere. You no get wetin your wife dem go do me. Hey, they go know say me this Calabar woman I don come and I come prepare the war. We go see am and I go show them say Calabar woman don land. Today is my turn. Allow me to help you. I'm a pregnant woman. I need this thing more than you. Mind yourself. You man don't eat yet. No, you don't start. Oh, you don't start.
You are new to that.
Marry me here now. Why are you disturbing my husband?
People's husband. Has he paid your bride price? My friend, remove your hand. Now, what's your problem?
You marry me.
Yourself.
What is going on here? Eh? What are you two doing on my matrimonial bed with my husband? Please, two of you should leave here. I want to spend time with my husband.
Says who? I am his lawfully wedded wife. The mother of his 3 children. Get that into your thick skull.
Yeah! You are the abandoned old cargo wife. I am his love related to money in his life. You both should leave this place. Leave this place! I'm telling you, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Who's pregnant? I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Don't warn me. Don't touch me. Look at this Calabar shower. If you call me that name again, what will you do? No, what will you do if I call you the name? I'm warning you now. Who are you warning? Look at this Calabar shower. This local dog. You are warning more. Leave the bed. What's this? Tell me. Who are you? You must leave the bed. You hurt my bed. This is my husband. This is my lawful wedded bed. Matrimonial bed. Where are you going to live the bed? Matrimonial bed. Yes. This is my matrimonial bed. I shall walk Calabar. Leave my husband alone. And make your female. And make your female. I am pregnant for you. And make your female. I am suspecting this pregnancy. I'm suspecting I'm warning you. I'm warning you. You see that child is my husband. I will destroy this child. I'm suspecting you. Have you forgotten? Leave my husband. Giving him hot rice. Mama, yeah, baby. I'm hot rice. I will do hot rice. I will hot rice.
Peace of mind. Now he might define. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. What do you define? Now him you go see. That thing you define, oh. Now him you go see, oh. Nicodemusu. I stand by. Wahala, he know the finish you. Wahala, he know the finish you. This kind man I never see. Every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they find trouble. Now peace of mind, now he might define. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. What do you define? Now him you go see. That thing you define. Now him you go see. Nicodemusu.
I'm sorry for disturbing your sleep. I'll it was dream. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Please.
Nah, somebody cannot sleep in this compound. Nah.
I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. Yeah? This will not happen again. I'm sorry for disturbing your sleep.
Okay, what is it? What's the problem?
Please, I want to plead with you to allow me pass the night in your place.
Just
for this night.
Wow. What happened to your own?
You won't understand. But just allow me to sleep here this night.
Oh, bro, the Guineas, okay? Is the problem? You see all this problem? Eh? You see, look at what you have caused upon your life. Bro, you don't know this. See, look at what you have caused to yourself. Don't go the problem here. If you give it,
it is the devil.
Oh, bro, devil couldn't get them.
It is the devil.
It is not the devil's handwork. Yes, it is not the devil's handwork. It is your fault. You too like woman. Then do you this thing? Hey, maybe dig Iman Semba.
Eh? Just a buru Susanna, get them. And all these women are not small. All these women are not small women. Oh, Toto.
I said I'm sorry. This will not happen again. Just this night. Just that. Biko. Allow me pass the night here. Biko. Biko.
I was going. Why was go? Angelina, please. See, we cannot allow him to sleep here.
Biko.
You understand? What happened has happened. Do you understand? We not just allow him to sleep for this night.
Just this night.
This night too. This
yes,
night too.
Yeah.
Yes.
How can I kuchiri?
I
cannot kuchiri now. Tomorrow morning I will leave.
Just this night.
This night.
No problem. Just this night, but I have one problem. I have one problem.
What is the problem?
This night, now that I want to allow you to sleep in my house, I'm not comfortable with it.
How?
Yes, because my wife is here. Allowing you to sleep in this same room with my wife, I trust on okay?
You are there with me. You are there with us.
There can be a situation where my wife will just be sleeping carelessly. When I come up to here, super.
You are there with us now. How can I do anything in your presence?
I can sleep and pass out. You know the way I sleep. And then my wife can sleep carelessly. Just super. I'm telling you because I don't trust you. Then I got that. Then Cecilia. Then Susanna. If I allow you now, it might work.
Linus, I am not that bad, though. I am not that kind
You're
of
not
person.
that kind of person.
I'm not that kind of person you think about. You are mistaking me for another person. I will not try that.
Oh, I said, what did you come back?
Yes,
from Agatha, I'm there, Susanna. No. From Susanna, I can go now, Susanna. No, the Cecilia. Because just this line. I bow. Forget it. It is a papa. What is Nicodemus now Quatrola. Sleep like human being now. What is eh? Your story is just like earthquake. You think it's shaking the foundation of this room. What is please, Biko, please. Yeah? I am always because of you. Email. By mistake. And then you are keeping me sleepless like that with your Biko, please. Biko, I won't come mad with Biko. I don't know what cheap with your for. Cheap was there for, bro. Hey!
What is this now?
Please, just sleep like a human being now. What do you sorry. You just kept my family and I away. I'm sorry. No, whatever. I'm telling you. Let me know your what is nah. Let me know your again. What is that? I'm not sleeping. You're working. Yeah? She's awake now. Look at her. She's not sleeping. Seriously, come on, because I beg you. Okay. What is this now? Okay. Yeah? If you happen again.
After this night, don't come here.
Because let us win this night. Yes. We're frozen kissing. Murana, just start with. Shut up. Murana. Don't sleep again. Don't sleep. Come on, like that.
Nicodemus, wash your hand and eat now.
I'm not eating. I am not eating.
Why won't you eat? I suffered to make this soup. Oh. Look at the soup I prepared for you. Look, see the fufu. I use my hand to pound it. Suwabu. Nothing go sit. And you say you not eating.
Did I beg you for food? Did I tell you I'm hungry?
Hey.
I am not eating. I am not hungry.
My lovely husband, I brought a delicious meal for a sweet husband.
And what is this supposed to mean now? What is this nonsense now? Didn't you see my food and you brought it down? When you cook at outside here?
As if he's not also my husband. My husband.
Enough.
Your
Enough.
wife made a decision.
Which your husband?
Stop. Enough. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
You will eat it though.
I'm not hungry.
You will eat this
I'm
food.
not hungry.
You are the one that brought this woman into this house. You are the one that decided to bring this woman to share me with you. Don't touch me. Open your mouth. Nicodemus, open your mouth.
I'm not hungry.
You will eat it though.
I'm not hungry.
You will eat it. You brought her to share you with me. Open your mouth. You get a lawyer. Why did you throw away my food? Why did you vomit my food?
I don't go do that.
Nicodemus, since you allowed her to stay in this house, you will be the one to suffer. Eat it. Why are you throwing my food away?
I'm a kuwagonu. I'm going to kick this food away.
If you make him vomit my food again, stupid woman, old fool, take this thing.
My husband eats.
Take your time, Take your time, I'm warning you.
Very delicious.
Take this. Why are you wasting my food? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Sorry now.
You eat this food.
Wahala, know the finish yo. Wahala, know the finish yo. This kind man I never see. I never see every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they find trouble. Na peace of mind, na him I define. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. What do you define? Na him you go see. That thing you define, oh, na him you go see, oh, Nicodemus, oh.
Yeah, stop this nonsense now.
So you can be this scared. God. So, my fear be this. Just go to the hole. Now you want to disappear. Just, you didn't hear that. Just under the hole. You want to disappear. Yeah? Nicodemus, what will be your problem?
Those women, they want to send me to my early grave.
Yes. If they send you to an early grave, no, you cause I
don't want to die now.
You don't want to die. Is it not your cause? You left your home and then come here marry 3 tigers. 3 tigers, carry 3 tigers, 3 hefty tigers, fighters. Put for your house. They tell me say they want to take you to your early grave.
Linus, I need help. If you want to help me, if you can help me.
I cannot help you. Yes. Were you not the one that caused the whole thing? No, you carry fire. The same person will carry firewood where ant today. They invite lizard. Yeah? No, were you not the one that carried them? Yeah? So no, wait. You left your wife, Susanna, your first wife, that gave you 3 children. You abandoned her and come here and marry wives. Yeah?
Linus, please, I need advice. Advise me.
Me advise you?
Yes.
Me advise you?
I'm not your friend.
Which friend? You know, when you were digging your grave in them, in the Bohajirati, pow! Ijirakata, cow, Ijiran where. When you were doing those things, did you not know? Did you not know that those things will lead you to a early grave? You need help.
Linus, stop reminding me of all this. I know them. I know them very well. But just help me. Help me.
I should help you.
Yes.
You want me to help you, Abby?
It's alright.
Well, let us go. Let us go to your room and meet those tigers that you kept in your house.
Bow.
What is Mbao? What is Mbao?
They will kill me.
They will kill you.
They
How?
will kill me.
Chero, are you running away from your house?
Huh?
Are you running away from your house?
Linus, put yourself in my shoes.
It's not possible. I cannot put because my shoe cannot size you. Your own cannot size me. So it's not possible. I cannot put myself in your shoe. Go. I think it be Solomon. Solomon, where get 36 state and capitals, 1,000 wives, 700 legitimate wives, and then 300 illegitimate wives. On your way, in a kill, in a gada, wah. No, it's not a matter of laughter. Why are we laughing now? Did you know you're by that you are running away? Akorobish.
Linus.
You don't want to go and finish what you started. Never get out!
What is this? Didn't you see me before? What's your problem? Did you not see me here?
Oh, but what I won't tell me. I did not see anybody here.
You did not see me. So I am too small for you to notice. I've been here and you came and bypassed me. What is your problem? Hey, Cecilia.
Susanna or whatever you call yourself. I'm not in for your trouble this morning. If you know what is good for you, please leave the way. Let this pregnant woman go and be.
Hey! Pregnancy. As if I've not been pregnant before, where? As if I've not been pregnant before. Leave this thing, no. I came here before you.
Susanna, put it up, go. Put it up, go. Respect yourself.
Respect yourself.
Susanna, respect yourself.
Leave this thing, no.
I will not leave it. Susanna, respect yourself. And Sana me yaka.
Out of my way, please. Let me cook.
Out of your way, Njombo.
Hey! Leave my.
Yeah. Susanna, Sana me yaka. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Hey! Hey! Susanna,
get out of my way.
Susanna,
get out of my way.
Mom, me go for the work. Use my water.
One problem to another. One trouble to another. Every day, so fight and quarrel for this compound. I don't blame Unasha. Now my stupid agent, where carry me, come up for where I did before, go carry me on this compound. So quarrel, so fight. Eh? Can't well be this now. Hey!
Out of my way, let me bet you.
You will not.
I will beat you. Cecilia, I will beat you black.
You cannot do me anything.
See, this is your pregnancy. I will bust this pregnancy out of you.
You cannot.
Stupid woman.
Jealousy, jealousy is the root of evil. Jealousy, jealousy is the root of evil. Jealousy, jealousy, jealousy is the root of evil. Jealousy, jealousy, jealousy is the root of evil.
Bien, Agatha. What do you think you're doing? How dare you shift my clothes to spread your miserable ones? Eh?
Of course, you know that I am not blind. I saw your clothes. I saw it. I just wanted to remind you that this rope is my rope. So stay away from it. I bought it with my money. Just stay away from this rope. At least I tried to even extend to few tenants with Haswan Obioma.
So shut up, let me talk.
My wire.
Let me say something. This rope was bought with my husband's money. Okay, you have no right to shift my clothes and spread yours.
This rope you are seeing here, I bought it with my hard-earned money. Yes, this rope was here when you came to this compound to join us. Which you know, you saw this rope when you came. I bought it with my money.
I have been seeing this rope since I came to this compound.
Thank God.
Agatha was not written on it.
It's my money.
So this rope was bought by my husband's money. You have no right to shift my clothes.
Kenna. I am only respect.
Wow! What's here? Come. Hey! 1, 2, 3.
Am I your mate?
Susanna!
Am I your mate?
Here we go. Come on. We and the winner is Susanna. Be idiot, be idiot.
Not to dare me.
Stand up, you idiot. If you see me now, and I tell you that my friend, stand up. Agatha.
What is this?
Agatha.
Go and carry water and splash her water.
True. Agatha. Agatha. Susanna! Susanna! What have you done?
Done what?
Wow.
What did I do? What does it look like that I've done?
Okay, that's not pretty, no.
So how is that my business? Don't mind this pretentious coward. Next time she will learn not to challenge her senior. Nonsense.
You're even talking. She's not pretty. I'm telling you that Akita is not pretty. I'm telling you, you're talking rubbish. You have killed Akita.
How did I kill her? Did you see me with any gun or knife? How did I kill her? I only sat on her.
Oh, you sat on her?
Yes.
I was here. You pushed her down, sat on her, and then sat life out of her. And you have the effort to
I did not kill anybody. When she's tired, she will get up. I only sat on her. Is that enough to kill her?
You only sat on her. And that she's not pretty.
Indeed.
No.
Leave this pretentious coward. When she's tired, she will get up. Next time, you don't challenge who is not your mate.
You have killed Akita. You're saying she's not pretty, no. Akita is not looking pretty. Susanna, you have killed.
Oh, leave me alone now. Don't kill anybody.
She's not pretty. Oh, look at the way you even have the effort to say that you push her and sat on her.
She's only pretending.
She's not pretending anything. You sat on her and sat her life out of her.
Hey, let her die now. Nonsense. You want to challenge me?
Never!
Susanna!
Never! Susanna, you're going to get out! Susanna, I'm going to get out! Susanna! Osas!
I didn't do anything to her.
What do you mean you did anything?
I didn't do anything.
Come on with you! Susanna, push her down and sat on her and sat life out of her.
I did not do anything to her.
Shut up!
We're just exchanging words and then she fell down.
Just like that?
I only sat on her and I did not kill her now.
Sat on her!
You see me with any knife or gun?
Oh yeah, you killed her!
She's not dead.
What is going on here?
Nicodemus, Agatha is dead.
Eh?
Agatha is dead, yo. Susanna, kill her.
I did not kill anybody.
Agatha to the hospital.
Go to the hospital.
Agatha!
Look at her. She's not pretty.
Nicodemus, you and your wives, the problem people are causing in this compound is getting too much.
I'm telling you.
And we are sick and tired of it.
Yes.
Exactly. Every day, kitty, kata, from him and his family. Him and his useless family. They don't want us to drink water and keep up. Every day, quarrel.
I'm telling you.
Are you people the only tenants in this place?
All the kwegu. Nicodemus. At this juncture, caution your wives. Before they keep themselves one day.
Caution us as what? As children,
Yes, before that causes problem here now.
You're right, to mind yourself, oh. Respect yourself in this compound, oh. I'm warning you. Respect yourself, oh.
Nancy, look at that idiot that I just saved from dying. Oh, you are talking you're talking back at me.
And who did you say from dying?
Nancy Agatha. This idiot of an Agatha that I saved. Susanna, just fling her a little and she passed out. You have to talk to me. If there's any contribution of your debt, if I pay back, come a bastard.
And let me tell you, Agatha or whatever they call you, I will not take it if you insult my husband again. Don't even try it. If not, then you will not like what I'll do to you. Yes, I will not take it lightly with you. I will make sure I beat you black.
Yes. That's my wife, Angela.
What did I just say you said? See, you are the next target. Now, Chineke, I am targeting you. You think I'm scared of you? I will beat you black, eh? If I beat you.
Why are now?
Nonsense.
You just talk. You have that though. You have that. Just sit down, my friend. Can you imagine? You have that though. They just resurrected you. Just sit down, you idiot.
Sit down.
Nonsense. You have that though. Just shut up now, idiot.
Sit down, John.
Hey. Will you sit down and stop making a hell of a noise?
Hey!
Who do you think you are?
Look at this useless wife, so.
What?
Look at them. Useless wives.
Useless wives.
Yes, some of you are useless.
Oh, leave them. Let them fight.
Let's take it to the hospital.
Osas, stand up. Hey! Osas, stand up, I'm here. Osas, stand up. I'm finished. Come and help me.
Let's take it to the hospital.
Okay. How will I run? Let me kill her. Oh, stand up. No, he can't die. He can't die. Hey, my son, come and help me. Your neighbors, come and help me. My son, stand up. Osas, my son. Please stand up, please to me. Oh, please don't do this. I was talking to you. I'm not seeing more.
What is happening? I'm so sick. Lying lifeless.
Osas, Abi, lifeless.
Yes.
I tell you, don't mind them. It's that stupid woman, that stupid Agatha and his co-wife. They came to fight me. I almost beat them. If not that Osas was separated and she mistakenly hit him.
I tell you, see that thing that you saw? That was what brought us here. You understand?
Mama, this kind of problem happened for this compound and all day.
My dear, if good as you know, you need to see that mad woman where they call herself Agatha. She almost hit me that thing. If not be so Osas, they try to separate before they can't hit her for head.
Mama, let me go and fight those women now. Let me go and fight them.
Hey, respect you. Go and fight one. Are you mad? What are you going to fight? You, Angela, and I do not fight you. See, listen, forget that nonsense. Go and fight. Are you mad? Forget about it. The problem is, say, the happiness we dey here, we say, that stick, land for Angela head. If you say that stick eventually land on my wife's head, now today they follow say, I am a one-man squad.
I beg, make I hear something. See my problem with you. One-man squad. Oh yeah, why three of us no go there, go fight them? Let's three of us go and fight them now. Yes, let me go there and show them the stuff I made up for.
Shut up, bro. What is your problem? Go back, go fight who? You do so what brought us here. Forget that, go. After all, this man don't apologize, say, you're sorry. Sister, don't need to fight.
He apologized, yes. What about his wife? Those people are not good people. I won't go show them, say, me self na troublemaker be.
Troublemaker be?
Yes.
You know the shame. Troublemaker be, right? They won't kill you. They just landed you, If not this and that, I draw you, come on. They for you for them, they for hit us.
No, just insult me. I won't go show us I be tigress, so I don't like this kind of. Let's go.
Tigress. Now today, why even no say I'm a tiger? If you're a tigress.
Yes.
Shut up, because see, at this junction, I don't hit back again. Don't say anything. You don't say anything. Let me just go there and know what did happen. Because if police come here now, they go do mass arrest. And they use my brain. Stay here. Don't say you. Don't say Makamo.
Papa, you know they try. Papa, you know they try.
I will kill you. I'll just kill you now. Open this well, throw you inside. Shut. Stay here. Don't say Makamo. Let me just know what they happen here.
Papa, no, they try.
Look at your life. Have you seen yourself? You see your life? I have warned you several times to stay away from Mr. and Mrs. Nico. No, you will not listen to me. Now look at the outcome. You want to show that you are a strong guy.
Mama.
Look at the results. Now look at the outcome. Just look at you now.
Mama. It was a general meeting and everybody was there. You should understand.
Mama, outside. Good evening.
Osas. I came to apologize. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I did not mean to break your head, though. It was just a mistake. It was Linus's wife I was targeting to break her head.
Agatha, hold it there. Just hold it right there. And leave here with your wahala. Carry your wahala and leave my house. Please. And you should learn to leave my son alone. Biko.
Osas. I know you are angry with Agatha. But Biko, you will go to Joro. Temper justice with mercy. We only came to say sorry. Temper justice with mercy. I know you are angry with Agatha, but please, Bagaria, have mercy. Eh?
So will that make her to stop fighting with her co-wife?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Which one is yes? Why are you speaking for me? Allow me to speak for myself.
Yeah.
Mama Stars, if he forgives me now, I will not fight again.
Is that a promise?
It's not 100% promise, so because those women, if they look for my trouble, I got prayer. I got prayer.
I'm forgiving
Eh?
you. Yes.
You're forgiving me,
Yes.
just like that.
Yes.
You're forgiving me. Hey, Maji, chop my guy. I told you.
Osas.
I told you you will forgive.
Osas, you have done what? You have forgiven them.
Mama, let it go.
Hey, just like that.
It's okay.
Osas, my boy. Dalo.
Thank you, Maji, my guy.
What I love.
Hey, well, my husband, though. Hell, what has happened?
What happened?
Victor, our son.
What happened to him?
Victor is in the hospital. He's in the hospital, oh. Hey,
What happened to him?
they just called me down that he fell down and broke his leg. And they rushed him to the hospital. And do you know what? He said the doctor said he cannot commence treatment except we deposit 100,000 naira.
100,000 naira?
Yes, 100,000. If not, they cannot commence treatment. 100,000 naira. Oh, Chimo.
Calm down.
Okay.
Calm down. My son cannot go quickly because of 100,000 naira.
Yes, my husband.
God forbid.
Amen.
I'll send the money to you.
Oh, okay. Send it to my husband.
Wonder shall never end.
So,
Calm down. I said, calm down.
Okay, my husband.
I'll send 100,000.
To my OP account. Send it to my OP. Please make it 120,000.
I don't have that money.
Okay, send the one you have.
Check your account.
Okay, it has entered. Thank you so much. You're the best husband.
Thank you.
Hey, let me rush.
Let me
No. Don't worry. I'll sort it out. Don't worry.
Let me come with you.
Okay, no. Don't worry. Let me prepare and go. Don't worry. Hey, life is good.
Oh my God.
Susanna, you're back so soon.
Yes.
What about Victor's condition?
Which condition are you talking about? I am Nicodemus.
Victor's condition, that's what I'm talking about.
You should be talking about your own condition and not my son's condition.
What do you mean by that?
Life is good.
No, what do you mean by that?
What I mean is that I am here enjoying myself with the money that you gave to me. Yes, that's 100,000 naira. I used part of it to offset my son's school fees. You know, I've been asking you of it. I refused to give to me. So I've paid it off. And the rest, the remaining, I am using it to enjoy my life.
If I understand you properly, you trick me like this.
I tricked you. So you don't know that. I know that you and this your wife, you've been tricking Cecilia and I all along. You think I don't know? I know everything.
Why are you bringing me into this now? What has I got to do with this?
I know everything. I overheard people that day. Oh yes, I did.
Married. This was not the man that showed me so much love that I fell for you and agreed to marry you. Where is all the love? Where all the promises you gave to me? Where are they? I'm asking you.
Agatha, you are the cause of all this problem.
Me?
Yes. There are things I expect you to do so that these people will leave without being asked to go. They will leave.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is this. should begin to display that kind of love, that first love. So that if they see us, they will get jealous and they wouldn't have any choice than to pack their things and leave this house. Yes.
Are you sure it will work?
Unless you are the one that will spoil this plan. For me, this all work chala. It has worked perfectly well.
So if you start showing me love now, they will go.
Yes.
Hey, but you've been showing me love. Immediately they came, everything changed.
Let's start it now. Yes.
Oh, so this is what people on Agatha is planning, right? It's okay. I, Susanna, cannot.
Someone there. I heard everything. And now it is my turn to strike back. Hey, Nika. Your son is very fine wherever he is, doing great. And Susanna is here enjoying her life. Do you have a problem with that? Do you?
So, finally you have succeeded in collecting the money you have been asking from me by trick. Okay?
My husband's money. Yes. And I'm enjoying myself.
Money one washer. Nicodemus, he one washer. Yes. So she told you that your son broke his leg and you gave her 100,000 naira without even telling me. Give her 100,000 naira. He one washer. He one washer. Okay, then when he join here, foolish old man.
I paid my children's school fees. It's paid. The rest, I'm enjoying myself.
Susanna. Elegede.
Oh, elegant day. Elegant face.
Elegede.
Oh, elegant day. Elegant face. Mbano. Nika.
Susanna.
Nicodemus, my husband.
Susanna.
Yes.
Elegede.
Oh, elegant day. Nicodemus! Give me my bacon goat meat! Give me my meat, Nicodemus! I eat that one now. Me, I've eaten enough.
Nicodemus.
Okay.
So you had the mind to give that old fool 100,000 naira without telling me. You gave her money without telling me, Akwaya?
What is it? Didn't you hear that he said that my son is sick? I gave her the money now.
You gave her the money now? I thought you told me that the only thing that matters to you is me, no other person. What is going on? What is happening now?
I said so, but not when life is involved. Especially the life of my son, Mbao. I can't allow that to happen.
Spare me that crap. I'm your boy, my God, all in my, you know, me like for you. What about the money you promised to give me for antenatal?
See, the money you saw me give to Susanna, that money was my last card, home and abroad.
Mama fi. Oh, what about all the money the money you promised me for until now you have not given me the money. I love you that time. Oh, I couldn't make it to Nyamoria fee. What you promised me money for antenatal, didn't you? You saw me where I was selling my food and you bring yourself. Oh, Calabar waste. Now the waste I you. Okay, now me and you for you. Okay, because now you have succeeded in getting me pregnant. You are not playing with me, Abby.
Both of you should try and understand it now.
Understand what? What are we understanding? It is you and I.
Stop pushing me. Stop pulling me up and down. I'm surprised. When did both of you become this friendly? I thought both of you are cat and dog.
Did you say cat and dog?
Yeah.
When did we suddenly become friends?
Friends, a matter of money. Yago, you gave that woman 100,000 naira.
I don't know. You
How much did you give us? Give me money.
Leave me alone.
You want to share money, Abi?
Leave me alone.
Hey! Hey! Let us help me! I'm going to die, God! They want to kill me!
You know the feelings, yo. This kind man I never see. I never see. Every day na so wahala.
They want to kill me!
But I'm a gentleman.
I'm going to die, God!
Na peace of mind. Na him I define. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. What do you define? Na him you go see. That thing you define.
Go.
Na him you go see. Nicodemusu.
What's happened? What they pursue you?
Jesus, could you imagine that? Oga Nicodemus' 2 wives are chasing him. They want to kill him.
He?
Hey.
You mean Nicodemus' wives? They want to kill him?
Yes.
Where are they now?
They are. I told them they are.
That way?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. They
Let
are
me go
even
and see
carrying gun. They are even carrying
Let me go and
knife.
see
Please, I want to go and tell my parents.
You know the finish, yo. This kind man I never see.
Papa, could you believe that Agatha and Cecilia have chased Oga Nicodemus out with pistol?
Let me understand. Are you serious? You're bringing your voice. Somebody above. Wait. Agatha and Cecilia chase Nicodemus with pistol. Are they planning to kill him or what?
It's not that they are planning to kill him. You know those women, they like drama too much.
Yes, I know. But hi, this one is no good at all. He caused it. He just carried nonsense, bring upon himself. Carry problem. I will get that woman himself. I tell you, this is very big trouble for Nicodemus. Yeah? Go. Jojo. So are you telling me now that as we speak right now, Nicodemus has run away because of them?
Papa, forget about that one. He will still come back.
Abi?
He will still come back.
I know he will still come back because there's no way he can run away. You don't carry problem pour upon himself. Can he ever survive this one? What he carry me come here? I just pray that God will give him money so that I will just build my own house and get away from here.
Amen, oh. Amen.
See, it's a very big problem for Nicodemus. Yeah? Because this life, this is not easy. It's not easy, and it can never be easy. This is what will kill a man early. This kind of nonsense now is what will bring a man to an end way early. Because if you see it now, 95% of men are gone. It's just their wives that are alive. This thing will kill Nicodemus.
This one is called Wives Clash. Hey.
Wife Clash. Abi? Hey, this is something that will kill him.
Kill who?
Nicodemus.
He cannot kill him, oh. He cannot kill him. He that can even handle 700 wives.
Easy. You started though. What do you mean? Come. Who is telling you all this nonsense? Where are you learning this thing from?
Papa,
Do you know what 700 wives is? Somebody that cannot handle Agatha, Cecilia, and Susanna. You think he can handle 7? Come. Who are you?
Papa, I'm sure.
Come, shut up. What do you know about women? Come. Who is teaching this nonsense? You are sure for what? 700 woman. Look at this small Ochacha. Talking about 700 wives. What do you mean handling? Do you know what it means to handle women? Women want to Biko. I begin to suspect you.
Papa, it's truth.
Shut up.
It's truth.
Look at you. 700. Just shut up. Very funny. Idiot. If you laugh, even the house will be up.
Mama!
Idiot, 700. How do you know? What do you want to 700? I'm beginning to suspect this girl. Begin to suspect 700 wives, 700.
Papa, you can handle 700.
Shut up!
Oga, we're looking on wire. Take them easy, JJ. We're looking on wire, though. If I don't know, you make we give. You want to get in a 5 and 6. Enjoyment today, your body.
Hey, love.
Wahala come jam trouble, come marry your child. You
know, get wetin person no go see o. I'm sorry.
Love, one thing, the love.
Wahala don't jam trouble. Now you go see. This kind house I never see. Everything I so trouble.
Hey!
Hey! You know the finish, yo. Wahala, you know the finish, yo. This kind man I never see. I never see. Every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they find trouble.
Leno, indulge. Wicked women. Useless women. Chased my husband away. My beloved husband. You chased him away with your person. Eh? Now we cannot see him, we cannot find him. Let me warn you women, eh? If you know where you have chased him to, you better go and bring him back. If not, this compound will not contain all of us.
If not, what will happen?
This compound will not contain all of us. I know what I'm talking about.
As if you care about him so much. He has told me everything. Pretender.
People are just pretending. They're just pretending to love him. Everybody knows that I am his legally, originally, and lawfully wedded wife. Yes, you're all imposters. That is why you've chased him away. Better go and bring back my husband though. If not, you will not believe it.
At least I'm still better than you. Don't forget that he paid my bride price. I know why. I am better than you that scammed him with your son's health. You lied.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
you lied.
That one they pay you.
You lied that your son was sick and you collected 100,000 naira from him.
So now that one they pay you.
Nonsense woman.
Owegiwe na di mu nyere money imana mgbe anyị na-eme love anyị agagharị ịma ba bidoro love ịma no be today things o teela my husband gave me money. Yes, it is my husband's money. It is not your business.
Really?
Nonsense.
If you were so proud and you believe so much in yourself, why didn't you open her and tell him, Nicodemus, give me 100,000 naira? Why must you lie with your
because of your witches and
liar?
wickedness.
Scammer!
Because of your witches and wickedness.
Lie.
I have collected my husband's money and I've eaten it on a wagi way. My dear, go on wagi because go and kill yourself. You ladies are jealous.
Susanna, hold it there. Which jealousy are you talking about?
Ask her.
She's not only jealous.
See this one.
It's jealousy.
See this calabar cookie. I hope you're not talking to me like that. Because if I box you, you see that bastard in your stomach, I'll punch it out.
Susanna, you lie. Also, you cannot do me anything. If you think that I'm weak, try me. Susanna, try me.
Shameless girl.
Try yourself and see.
Instead of you to go and look for fellow young men to marry. Instead of you to go and look for a young man to marry. Husband snatcher.
The worst has happened though. There is fire on the mountain. There is trouble. There is trouble, Auntie Agatha.
What trouble now? Okay, young woman, sister. What did Chineke do you dog?
Your husband Nicodemus is dead.
Hey! How? When? Where?
What? Is that what?
He had an accident at that junction and died at the spot.
Nicodemus, my husband.
Wait.
His body has been carried to the morgue.
Tell me this is not true.
His body has been carried to the morgue.
You mean Nicodemus?
Like
is not
mortuary.
Hey! They've killed my husband.
I'm pregnant. They have killed him. They have killed him.
People have killed my husband.
I understand.
You come and kill my husband. Hey!
Nicodemus.
Hey! You have killed him. You people have killed my husband.
I left my
Sorry, wait tomorrow.
Why did you come back? Hey!
This is not true. So Nicodemus, my husband is no more. Somebody should tell me that this is not true. This is not true. Hey! The husband of my youth. Oh God, I don't believe this. I don't believe that my husband is sober. Hey, he left me all alone with 3 children. What do I do? What do I do?
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
My beloved husband. Nicodemus, the husband of my youth. Hey!
Who will I fight with? Who will I quarrel with? Hey!
It's okay. Stop crying. Yeah?
Come. Where is your husband, Mr. Lenus?
Oh, he stepped out this morning.
Step out of here. See, better call him. Oh. There is fire on the mountain in this compound. Better call him now.
Maybe go drink.
I'll call him.
That's why. Why?
Child.
Oh.
Go.
Chai! Chai!
The husband of my youth. Nicodemus. Help!
That's why.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Nicodemus. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Hey, Nicodemus. The husband of my youth. He left me all alone with 3 children. Nicodemus. Try. Right now.
Their bag. Here is Susanna's bag and Cecilia's bag. Ha! Hey! So today they were supposed to go to mortuary and see Nicodemus comes. Their bags are no longer here. I just hope these people did not disappear. Hey! Could it be inside the wardrobe? There is nothing here now. There is nothing here. I just hope they have not disappeared. I just hope these people have not left me to stay on my own. How will I go to mortuary and leave me? Hey! God, no. Hey! No. Is this true? Hey! Chimo! Hey! Chimo! So, Cecilia and Susanna have been pretending all this while. They just said about Nicodemus that they packed their things and ran away. Hey, God, I'm the only one in this house now.
I already knew that those women are scammers. It's not a new thing to me.
Hey! I miss my husband. I miss Nicodemus. I'm the only one here now.
Dead. I wish that my friend Nicodemus is alive, so that he will use his two naked eyes to see the kind of women he has. He involved his life with. Dala. Hey.
Run away. I miss my husband. I'm not the only one in this house. I'm the only one. Oh, I missed my husband. I missed him now. I'm the only one here. Susanna and Cecilia, they've run away. I'm just the only one now here. I'm just the only one.
It's okay, Agatha. It's okay.
I should sit down. Hey, I'm the only one now. Hey.
Chai. May his soul rest in perfect peace. But then, just go back to your house, eh? Not back. Go back to the wait for a minute. Not back to your house.
This is still my house now. We are not
we are neighbors because the way you see later, why we have to go behind them. It's somehow just we are not the same. Just go back.
Why you stop it now?
My husband just died now.
Don't mind him. Allow him to stop.
Don't do this now. Just lost my lovely husband. I'm alone. I need my husband. I want us to quarrel. I want us to fight because I'm missing him.
Nicodemus.
I miss him. We used to fight every time. I miss him.
Agatha! Putawa no. Come out now. You're wasting time.
I'm looking for
Black
black and black to wear.
and black, I hate this black and black. Where anything you see now, time no day again. Hey, oh, black and black in the burial. Eh? Mortuary. Are we going to go to mortuary with uniform? How about black and black? Just wear anything. Wear anything, I beg. Oh, Agatha. They went open the gate. Agatha. Oh, my God.
I needed to wear black and black.
Just go mortuary, only mortuary.
Dead body, I don't want to wear something.
Apple, see him at the
Don't run. I gave him.
No be the cry say you love him. Oh, I miss his struggle. You saw him now, I ran away.
It's me.
Come inside, come on.
Your husband, Nicodemus.
Stop.
Yes, I'm alive. Flesh and blood.
You know they act like
You are alive. I'm alive.
Come to me.
I thought we were going to mortuary to see your dead body.
No.
All this is not just plan. We planned it, just a planned deal.
Oh, yes.
I never believed that this thing will work.
I'm telling you.
You know, he was the one that brought this idea.
Yes, he did.
I never wanted to, but the way he was talking about, let us do this, that it will work. And that's okay, no problem. And then it worked.
Hi. So, you mean Cecilia and Susanna left yesterday after hearing that I am dead?
I am telling you, immediately I broke the news there. They pretended as if it didn't pain them. Cried nonsense. They did not even wait till the next morning.
Simply put, these people have been pretending. Yeah, Susanna and Cecilia have been pretending all this while.
I'm telling you.
And they have been wishing me dead.
I'm telling you, see, you know,
Hi.
it is good for something to happen.
Yes.
Because if we had not come up with this plan, we would not have known that the only woman that loves you so much is Agatha. With the snow, we would have known that Agatha loves you genuinely. I'm telling you, Agatha become mad.
I'm telling you, Cecilia and Susanna are evil. They are evil.
Let it not be.
Wait, Nicodemus.
Yeah.
So you have been in this house hiding here all this while?
The thing is that we just plan them.
Yeah.
Because we won't kill this man. The kitty was too much. Yeah? Agatha giddy. I hold Nicodemus body. Wow. Cecilia. For Nicodemus body. Tell him. Susanna. Giddy. When I won't kill him. When I say no. If we allow you people, you will kill this man. And when this man is dead here, that will begin to contribute money, which I don't get. We say, no, make we plan them. Make we know who will stay and who will run away. So immediately the 9 o'clock news was released them. The people that will run away. And then
I will stay.
It happened to me that you are the one that stayed.
Yes.
Mother came, sir.
Exactly.
Mother came. Aye.
That woman happens to be you. And all these things happen because of Osas.
Osas? How?
Osas is the master planner.
Osas, you sure say this is your plan? Are you sure that this your plan will work? No, baby. I know what will make me the talk.
Don't worry, this plan is going to work. This is the only way you will know the woman that truly loves you.
Abi?
Yes.
Oh, please, wait. Oh, I have something to say.
Yes.
You know, those women are very stubborn.
Yeah.
They may insist on seeing my corpse.
Abi?
Yes.
Agatha especially. I'm telling you.
Just leave them. We tell them that the mortuary attendants.
No, but wait. Now you will suggest this thing.
I will tell them that the mortuary attendants said that we are not going to see the corpse. Yes.
Each year. Yes. So that one's
wait to
sort.
One more question.
Okay.
Where will I stay?
Calm down. Just leave where you stay for me. Say Halimia. Just forget it. You will stay in my room. Bagata.
In your room?
Yes. I will talk to my wife and my daughter. No. By the time I explain to them, they will understand.
Yes.
Do you understand? So The only problem, I'm having one problem.
One problem?
Yes,
Which
yes,
is? Which is?
You're my problem.
How?
You are snoring. In Aguadora. By the time you do, everybody will just come out and say, hey, I'm telling you. Because by the time you enter from gear 1 to gear 3, without break, it will spoil.
Please.
It's okay.
If this is going to bring about insult on me, let us cancel this plan.
It's not an insult.
I am no longer in for it.
Like this is just saying the fact.
I'm telling you, you never hear about no. The problem is, Agatha, Agatha is see your room, see my room. Yes. By the time you enter there, you are studying. Agatha will say, hey, everything will scatter. So what you need to do, just if you want to sleep. No snore.
Just fake your death.
Yes, just
fake it.
Fake it. No snore. Okay. No go there begin to do. I know. Say me I just snore, but don't be like your own.
I know.
Your own they sound like caterpillar, like engine. Be
careful with me.
No, but
be careful with me.
Just fake your death, and then all these things will be solved.
Yes.
You understand?
Osas.
Behind you, come out. My man.
Yes.
Osas. Thank you. So you have been the one behind all this?
Yes.
Indeed, your kind is rare.
You happen to be the real wife. Our wife. Our beautiful wife. Our troublesome wife.
See, initially, I was thinking that she was the troublemaker in this house. Because anytime I see that her red wig, that red wig signifies trouble. That red wig. It means danger. Until this thing happened, I'm telling you, danger. It happened to me that she is the most loved. Because the two cows, that Cecilia and that idiot, and Susanna ran, and she stayed. Mother Gable, I'm telling you.
I want to use this opportunity to say that I am sorry. Linus, please forgive me. Everything I did to you and your wife, all the insult and fight, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Forget about it. I forget. See, immediately, all those two idiots ran away and you stayed. And I said, eh? So Agatha is the one that loved this man genuinely. That was when I forgave you. I forgive you.
Osas,
Don't insult me here.
I am also sorry. And sorry for breaking your head. You know it wasn't intentional. It was another person I was targeting before and I hit you.
It's okay. I have forgiven you already. It's okay.
See, the thing is that Osas' destiny has already been tied in fight separating. That's why you really broke it.
Why do you always like to insult?
He's not an insult. He's not an insult, you know. You have been separated. What happened? I see. Tap it. You see.
I didn't know you loved me this much. I didn't know.
Of course you know that I love you.
Come here.
Good dear. No, I leave your questions. I leave it. Come here.
I stand by. Wahala, he know the finish you. Wahala, he know the finish you. This kind man I never see. Every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they find trouble. Now peace of mind, now him I define. Nico the musu. Nico the musu.
Hey! Cecilia! Cecilia! Jesus! Come to think of it. Where is that your sugar daddy, that old monkey, frustrated fool called Nicodemus or whatever, Nico? I guess he's still giving you money. Oh yeah, stop. Look at you. You have the mind to leave a young, vibrant boy like me for an old man, all because of money. Look at where it has landed you into. Look at you. You are not a single mother. Picking no father, no trace, no whereabouts. All because of your greed, your selfishness. Because of money, physical cash. In fact, the business will fit you. Hope you are doing this bonds well. In no time now, you're a single mother. This child, I'm sure the child doesn't even know his father. Coming to the world is coming soon. And God too soon. And you know, keep it up. Wonderful. Onye ya iyo. Iyo iya. Money this, money that. I told you I am going to make money. Unless I am not a street boy. I told you I will make money. Look at me, I'm using Benz, GLK. Look at you. You will die in poverty. Oh, you think you can frustrate me? I have made money. Look at my key. I have more. Come to my mansion and do place. In fact, my hotel, I will be done building. But this life never was. See Cecilia, my Calabar waist, my hot rice waist. Nicodemus is not go better for you anyway with the day. Child! Hey! If I catch you right on my car, I will kill you.
What is it?
Open it now. Open it and see.
Aggie, this one you are this excited. I hope all is well.
It's good news.
Aggie, you're pregnant.
Yes.
Hey! This is good news.
At least they will no longer call me a barren woman.
You are not barren. Forget those foolish women. You are not barren. Remember the Holy Book said, none shall be barren in my house.
Yes.
None shall be called barren in my house.
Amen.
And you are one of those people.
Amen.
It's a promise from God.
I'm so happy.
I was actually going to inspect my building site. Yes. I know you don't know about it.
Your building site?
Yes.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You know, I needed it to be a surprise to you. You see, I bought a land recently from my supply business. I was doing supply to Damakon Supply Company. And the business is paying me very, very well. And I've been making a lot of money from it.
Wait. Are you telling me you've been doing a supply business with Damako Company?
Yes.
And you never told me all this while?
I said I needed it to be a surprise to you. And that is what I'm telling you now. In fact, I bought a land. I started my building. As I'm talking to you now, the building is completed and, in fact, furnished. We are moving out from this place in no time.
Wait, am I dreaming or is this a joke?
You are not dreaming, and it is no joke.
You built your own house?
Our house.
And that means you are not a landlord?
And you are a landlady.
Hey! Chineke me.
Yes.
Ah.
That is it.
That is... oh! You know, I knew and I've always told myself that you are the right person. In fact, I love you and in fact, you are my husband for life.
And I will love you, I love you, and love you. I will keep loving you until the end of times.
Wait, the house you built, did you add a tenant house like this that we'll be able to rent out?
It's not this kind of house now.
Yeah.
Duplex. That's what I built, yes.
What of shops? To rent out to?
Yes, there are shops in front of the house. There are shops in front of where people can rent and do their businesses.
We have shops?
Yes.
We have the one to rent. Not public compound.
No,
You
no,
face
no,
me,
no.
I face you, you
Face me,
knock
I
me,
slap
I
you.
knock you.
Face me, I slap you.
I love you.
And I love you.
Oh, I love it you.
I love you more.
I love it too.
I love you more.
I love it
and I love you more.
I stand by. Wahala, e no dey finish yo. Wahala, e no dey finish yo. This kind man I never see. Every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they find trouble. Na peace of mind, na him I dey find. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. What do you define? Na him you go see. That thing you define, oh, na him you go see, oh, Nicodemusu. Oga, we looking on wire. Take them easy, jeje. We looking on wire, though. If I don't angada, ye make we give it. You want to get in a 5 and 6. Enjoyment today your body. Wahala come jam trouble, you come marry your type. Every day na fighting, oh. Every day na wahala, oh. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. That thing where you define, no, na him you go see. Wahala don't jam trouble, na him you go see. Yo, Nicodemusu. I stand by. Wahala, he know the finish, yo. Wahala, he know the finish, yo. This kind man I never see. Every day na so wahala. But I'm a gentleman, I know they find trouble. Na peace of mind, na him I define. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. What do you define? Na him you go see. That thing you define, oh, na him you go see, oh, Nicodemusu. Oga, we looking on wire. Take them easy, jeje. We looking on wire, though. If I don't angada, ye make we give it. You want to get in a 5 and 6. Enjoyment today your body. Wahala come jam trouble, you come marry your type. Every day na fighting, oh. Every day na wahala, oh. Nicodemusu. Nicodemusu. That thing where you define, no, na him you go see. Wahala don't jam trouble, na him you go see. Yo, Nicodemusu. This kind house I never see. Everything is so trouble. Kemalujo, ye make